Microsoft Visio is a diagramming solution that helps people visualize and communicate ideas, information, and systems. Visio helps people see and show others how their business works. With Visio, you can both define and document the complexities of your daily work life and effectively share your ideas and information with others. You can get more mileage from everyday business communications by enhancing text and numbers with Visio diagrams. When you add Visio diagrams to Office documents, your message is more concise. People are more likely to remember main points, and cultural and technical barriers are more easily overcome. Visio has 3 main rules. First, Visio is a great complement to Microsoft Office. Business professionals can create information-rich diagrams that complement and extend the work they do in Office applications. Second, Visio facilitates technical design, deployment, and maintenance. Technical professionals can diagram and document ideas, information, and systems to facilitate IT deployments, extend the use of developer tools, and even document facilities layouts and engineering plans. Finally, Visio enables organizations to develop custom visual solutions. Visio provides the ability to create custom shapes and stencils to support organizational standards and can be used to build wide-scale custom visual solutions. Microsoft Visio is the better way to diagram. Here's why. With Visio, you can easily make an impact. Visio provides the tools you need to quickly create and share professional-looking diagrams, so you will be expressing your ideas visually in no time. The familiar Microsoft Office look and feel, including the same new look as Office XP, makes Visio easy to learn and use. You can assemble diagrams quickly and easily by dragging predefined smart shape symbols from stencils onto the drawing page. Add a professional look to your diagrams with borders, backgrounds, and color schemes. Visio now provides new tools for locating, importing, and manipulating images from a variety of sources. Easily share diagrams by copying them into Office documents or saving them as web pages, complete with pan and zoom capabilities, a new custom property viewer, and built-in page tab navigation. Microsoft Visio helps you understand ideas, information, and systems. Visio provides a broad range of diagram types that serve the needs of individuals, teams, and organizations. We've already taken a look at some of the business diagrams you can create in Visio, such as flowcharts, organization charts, and timelines. In addition, IT professionals can document network equipment using shapes with built-in custom property fields for easy asset tracking. Or they can diagram proposed directory services structures, then export the information to Active Directory to assist in Windows 2000 migration. Network administrators can accurately document network topologies with auto-discovery technology and exact replica Visio network equipment shapes. Web developers can map existing websites to identify broken links or to determine how a proposed change will fit into an existing site structure. Database administrators can reverse engineer database schema for SQL Server 2000 and other popular databases to document and understand their structures. Facilities managers can populate floor plans with data from common sources, including Active Directory, and even color code the diagram by any data field. With Microsoft Visio, you can benefit from the diagramming standard. Visio provides a single customizable diagramming standard that is easy for organizations to deploy and maintain. The Visio family includes 3 products designed to meet the needs of specific groups of users. Microsoft Visio Standard provides intuitive diagramming solutions for business professionals. Microsoft Visio Professional provides comprehensive diagramming and drawing for business and technical professionals. Microsoft Visio Enterprise Network Tools is an add-on for Visio Professional that provides advanced network diagramming solutions for IT professionals. Since Visio products share a common file format, Visio users can easily exchange diagrams regardless of which Visio product they use. Software developers can create custom solutions with help from an open architecture, automation support, a new XML file format, and built-in VBA 6.3. Large organizations can perform efficient wide-scale deployments with tools for installing and maintaining Visio on thousands of desktops. If you're already using Visio, here are some great reasons why you'll want to upgrade. Microsoft Visio 2002 helps you produce sharper-looking diagrams and share them in ways that get you noticed. Visio solutions are now more integrated to help you work more closely with other applications and the data stored in them. And Visio is now more available and maintainable for organizations of all sizes and geographies. I've given you some great reasons to start using Microsoft Visio 2002. So take advantage of Visio today and learn how you can more effectively see and show others how your business works.